Hello guys, I welcome in this video. I wanted to show you this new platform whereby it is an investment platform in Uganda. So I'm going to show you how to make money with it and how to invest. So first of all, let me log out my account and I'll show you the process of how to register an account. So the link, I'll leave it down in the description of this video. So after clicking in it, it will reach you to a page like this whereby you are going to enter any username which you can easily remember, enter your email address. You have to choose a country. If you are in different countries, you have to choose your original country. After doing it, enter your phone number, just starting with 0, enter the password and confirm the password. And here you can view, these are histories of withdrawals, but here you can view your password and then you agree that you are above 18 years. Even if you're not above 18 years, as long as you just agree this term and click in create an account, so it is done. But me, I have already created an account, so I'm going to log in and I show you the processes of earning with this website. So you have to be with an internet connection on your phone. So let me log in my account. They take me to my dashboard. You can see that after registering you receive a bonus of 4,000. I'm going to show you how to earn and how to withdraw. So you can see my dashboard has already earned 4,000 and I have 0 total withdrawals and I have invested 0 and I have this amount. So how to invest here is just simple, but first of all you need to know about this website. So this website, when I click here in the 3 bars in the corner and I click in deposit, you can see that this website, if you invest, you earn 10% daily for 21 days and your capital is returned, and the minimum deposit here is 10,000. So you can deposit from 20,000, and here you can deposit direct from your phone number. For example, if you want to invest 10,000, just enter 10,000. After entering the 10,000, come here and type in your phone number. Type in any phone number you wish. For example, this is my phone number at this case. So just click in invest. I'm not going to invest in this video, but I'm going to invest because I have just got to the website right now. So just click in invest. After clicking there, a prompt will come to your phone where to put your PIN code so that your money can be transferred to the website here. So it is just easy. You'll be seeing that prompt on your phone, but because of my network, since I wanted to show you this website as quick as possible so that you can invest, these are not long-term investments, so you can invest now and start withdrawing your money. So the process of withdrawing is just simple. Just click in the 3 bars in the corner, then click in withdraw. Here they have only a minimum withdraw of 5,000. Once you reach 5,000 on your account, then you can withdraw your money, and I have 4,000 on my balance. So if I reach 5,000, I just withdraw my money. So I'll be leaving the link down in the description of this video. So make sure subscribe, like and hit the bell button. So that is it for today, which I wanted to show you about this website. So that is it.